Hello friends, today we are going to tell about you an international business in which people from all over the world are working today. This is not a local system but a globally running platform. Not only people from India but people from many other countries are already working here and the community is growing rapidly day by day. Today we will talk about a platform which is not just an income opportunity but a purely decentralized revolution. Yes, we are talking about TokoChain, powered by blockchain, smart contract and zero middleman system. TokoChain is not just another earning platform, this is an ecosystem built on technology, transparency and trust. There is no third-party interface, no delay, just pure peer-to-peer earning system. 100% smart contract based, 100% transparency, every transaction on blockchain, instant earnings, no withdrawal delays. Global accessibility, anyone from anywhere can join. Now you must be wondering, how does this work? It is very easy to enter TokoChain. You can start with just $30 and on every referral you get $10 direct income. Simple, effective and instant. So let's know TokoChain Global Business Income Plan. In TokoChain you get 4 different income plans. Each of these metrics take you one step up towards financial growth. Plan 1 Yield Metric, joining amount only $30. Plan 2 Flourish Metric, upgrade amount $60. Plan 3 Wealth Metric, upgrade amount $180. Plan 4 Fortune Metric, upgrade amount $480. In TokoChain you get 2 ways to go to next plan. Manual upgrade. If you upgrade to next plan yourself, there will be no deduction, you will get full income. Auto upgrade. If you do not upgrade manually, then the system itself will be upgrade you to next plan by deducting it from your income. The amount that's come in each plan distributed in some parts: 25% direct income, 25% in level income, 50% goes to yield, flourish, wealth and fortune metric. Now we will talk about TokoChain's first and mandatory plan 1 Yield Metric, which start from just $30. So let's first know what benefit do you get in the yield metric. Joining amount only $30. At level 1 you earn $2 from 2 members and there are no conditions. At level 2 you earn $4 from 4 members and there are no conditions. At level 3 you earn $8 from 8 members and here one direct member will be required to withdraw this income. At level 4 you earn $24 from 16 members and here one direct members will be required to withdraw this income. From here $10 will be deducted for the next plan upgrade. At level 5 you earn $48 from 32 members and here one direct members will be required to withdraw this income. From here $20 will be deducted for next upgrade. At level 6 you earn $96 from 64 members and from here $30 will be deducted for upgrade. Total level income $122, out of which some amount is deducted in auto upgrade if you do not upgrade yourself. After upgrading yield metric you enter the flourish metric. Upgrade amount is $60. Here the total income will be $450 which you will get through smart contract. After flourish come wealth metric where the income is even higher. Upgrade amount $180 and net profit $1,410. Now let's talk about TokoChain biggest plan fortune metric where you can make massive income. Upgrade amount $480. Total net profit $5,040. And the best part, there is no direct required in this metric. Now let's talk about the most interesting and passive income source, level income, which is available differently with every plan. In the yield metric from level 1 to level 5 you will get $1 and from level 6 to level 10 you will get $0.5. In the flourish metric you will get level 1 to level 5 $2 and level 6 to level 10 you will get $1. In the wealth metric from level 1 to level 4 you will get $5 and level 5 to level 10 you will get $4. In the fortune metric from level 1 to level 10 you will get $12 from every members. Talking about total level income, yield metric has distribution of $7.5, flourish metric has a distribution of $15, wealth metric has a distribution of $45, fortune metric has a distribution of $120. For all the incomes only total 10 directs is required. Now let's talk about 5x income retop up plan. The amount of income you earn in Tokochain is limited to 5x. That means if you invest $30, you can earn up to $150. After that, your earning stops and then you have to do an important step, retop up. You have two options. If you retop up with $25, two new IDs will be added to yield metric. These IDs increase the speed of your metric. But remember, these two new IDs are only used to reactivate the system and maintain flow. If we talk about level income, level 1 to level 4 you will get $1, level 5 to you will get $0.50, level 6 to $0.25, from level 7 you will get $1, level 8 to $0.50, level 9 to $0.25, from level 10 you will get $1, level 11 to $0.50, level 12 to $0.25, and level 13 to $1, level 14 to $0.50, and last level 15 to you will get $0.25. Now let's talk about the bigger and faster option. If you retop up from $50, 4 IDs will be added to yield metric, meaning the metric will grow faster, spillover will be faster. Level income structure: level 1 to level 4 $2, level 5 to $1, level 6 to $0.50, level 7 and 8 to you will get $1, level 9 to $0.50, level 10 to $2, level 11 to $1, level 12 to $0.50, and level 13 to $2, level 14 to $1, and last level 15 to you will get $0.50. This way you can continue your income again and remain active in this system. Tokochain not only give earnings but also monthly rewards to performers. When your team has 25 members, 10 members from Power Lake and 15 members from First Lake, then you will get a reward of $25. You will get reward of $100 for a team of 15 members. You will get a reward of $200 for a team of 100 members. You will get reward of $1,000 from team of 500 members. You will get reward of $2,000 a team of 1,000 members. You will get reward of $5,000 for a team of 2,500 members. And lastly, if your team become 5,000 members, then you get a reward of full $10,000. Keep in mind, minimum 2 legs should be active. Rewards will be given after 10% deduction. This reward income does not count in the 5x cap. Now let's talk about some important rules which every user should know. Minimum deposit $30, minimum withdrawal $10, 10% admin fee will be charged on withdrawal and 5% fee on P2P transactions. If you change the password, the withdrawal will be suspended for next 48 hours. You can top up any global business plan anytime. Monthly reward income will not be included in 5x earning, that is, it is a bonus. So friends, this was the complete earning cycle of Tokochain, from joining to plans to retop up and till rewards. Tokochain is a smart contract based system that does everything 100% transparent and automatic. No admin control, no human error, only technology and trust. If you find this video informative, do like and share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay secure, stay smart with Tokochain.